Hello students, I want to explain you how to use the the application for this book, Spanish Verb Tenses. This is a book from the publisher McGraw-Hill Education, and I'm going to explain you how to get access or use Language Lab McGraw-Hill Education. As you can see here in the book, you can see this app that is really useful when you want to practice your grammar. So I'm going to show you. For example, after you get the book, what you're going to do is to use the Play Store, and you're going to write that name. You search the Language Lab. As you can see, Language Lab is here in the first option. Then, of course, because I installed it, but you have to download it, and after you download it, you can just open, and you can find all the list of books that this publisher has, and we are going to choose Spanish, of course. Then we are going to select the book that we are using, and the book is Spanish Verb Tenses, so we are going to press here. As you can see, we have flashcards, audios, glossaries, and details. Well, in this case, the most important thing related to the practice after the classes and after reading the book, you have to use the flashcards and then select the grammar that you study. For example, I select the present perfect tense. So you will have verb with irregular past participles, verb with irregular past participle, also ejercicio, vocabulario. So everything is related to the chapter 17, the present perfect tense, where you can retake the topic. And then if you want to listen, you go here, you press to the audio, and you will find exercises, example sentences, and verb conjugations. So of course, this is really good if you want to practice again your grammar lesson after the class or after reading the book. So I just want to show you how wonderful is this, and of course you just need to practice, download the app, and then retake the topic. Well, I think this is the end of the explanation. I hope that you can practice by yourself, and any doubt you can ask me, of course. So thank you guys. Bye bye.